It's off when he goes to sleep, or when he goes to the doctor.
Wait a minute. Doctor. That's it, Henry. Doctor.
1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and get them sit-ups right and tuck your tummy tight and do your crunches like this. Get head, stop, breathe.
Will still do well. I will do well because I'm not defined by a show.
You see, it's a party tonight and ooh, she's so excited. Tell me who's invited. You, your friends, and my dick. What's scary to me, Henny make girls look like Halle Berry to me. So excuse me, miss, I forgot your name. Thank you, God bless you, good night. I can't.
It's the remix.
I haven't had somebody on the show because they're gay?
You're now listening to Skateboard Beat and the Louis Vuitton down. It's so unfair, so unreasonable.
I'm black, man. I'm the biggest minority you know about. I don't want to hear that gay trash, man. I got gay friends I've had on the show because you don't know them or it ain't who you want on the show. You got a problem with it. If you want to book it, get yourself a show. Now sit down, so I can do the show. You've had your say and I've had mine.